little artists! Are you ready for a fun drawing adventure today? We're going to draw and color a super fun puppet toy. Grab your black markers, and let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a big circle right in the middle of our paper. Nice and round.
Wow!
Now, we need to divide our circle into 6 parts. Draw 5 lines starting from the center and going out to the edges of the circle. Great! Now, let's draw some small circles inside each of these sections. These are the pop things of our puppet toy. Drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our amazing puppet toy. It looks fantastic. Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. So colorful, isn't it? Pink color. Dark pink color. Blue color. Deep blue color. Green color. Bottle green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Purple color. Dark purple color. Red color. Maroon color. Fantastic job, little artist! Your puppet toy looks so colorful and fun. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.